hold on.
The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for western Ozark County, southeastern Taney County, until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near South, or 13 miles north of Harrison, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bull Shoals Lake, Theodosia, Pontiac, Sundown, Prodom, Long Run, Isabella. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Missouri, Ozark, and Taney.
Alice955.com.
Following counties, Christian.
Wow. First tornado warning.